Now I'd like to cover some advanced features for text formatting here in MacCaption. The first one I'd like to cover is how you can actually affect multiple caption blocks. Let's say all of these I want to move to the top. I simply click on this section of the text panel right in between the timecode panel and the actual caption blocks, and I scroll down pressing the mouse to select all the desired caption blocks I want to move up when the lower third is present. Then I can press this button and you'll notice that they will all move up to the top of the screen. I can pretty much do that with any of these features, for the top, to the bottom, to the left, to the right, and affect multiple caption blocks. I can also select all by pressing Apple A, and all of the caption blocks can be selected and then modified in that fashion. I can also do multiple expand and contract, like say for example over here I can select all of those and compress caption blocks, and they will all be compressed to at least as if I would press this once. The other things I can do here are, um, let's say I have a caption block where two people are talking. In this case there's only one person on the screen, but um, let's say I want to separate these caption blocks. I want to move this top line over here to the left, indicating that there's someone speaking from the left side of the screen, and the bottom line I want it to be separated and moved to the right. So the way to do that is you can actually double click on the top caption and then move it with your mouse to the top left or wherever you want, and then the other one I can double click till I get highlighted, and from the corner I can actually move it to the desired spots on the screen. So like say for example I want to move that to the right. There you have it. Now I can actually move them together if I don't double click and highlight them, by simply just dragging them from a corner. And that's how you can separate caption blocks simply and easily. That feature is not limited to separating caption blocks. You can actually just manually move a caption block anywhere to the screen by simply clicking on it, usually from the corner or something, and just move it to the left, move it to the right, or move it wherever it is that you want on the screen to get the desired effect for your caption. So you're not limited to formatting with these buttons over here. You can do it manually as well. The next feature in the advanced text editing is how to insert a caption. Let's say in between this caption block and this other one I have some music playing in the middle. So what I want to do is I can press this button over here, the insert caption block, and write the word music. Notice that as soon as I write it, it appears on the preview screen. The other thing I can do now is I can select it and insert actual music symbols by going under Format, Insert Music Symbols, and let's do Surrounding Music Symbols. And you can see that the music symbols then appear. And I can do that anywhere I want. I can actually insert caption blocks, I can delete caption blocks, and so forth and so on. The other text features that I like to cover is how you can do all upper and lowercase. Let's say I wanted everything to be lowercase. I press Apple A to select all the caption blocks. I go to Format, and I can select sentence-wise upper and lowercase, all lowercase. You can see how that works. Or I can switch back to all uppercase. You can see that's very easy to do. The other features that are very handy is how in MacCaption you can actually find and replace certain things. This works just like your text editor. You can actually find a certain word or words that may be misspelled or formatting, and just go ahead and replace them all. It's very simple and very easy to do.